It's 7:15 a.m. and we're in Peoria, Arizona. Getting ready to go for a ride. Put on your helmet. Come along with me. This is the little church that I pass along the way. We're at 67th Avenue, just south of Cactus Road. We're headed due west right now. Nice wide sidewalks here, well away from traffic. This is fun. The destination this morning is Sweetwater Park, which is about a mile from here. We'll be there in no time. The temperature right now is in the mid-80s, which is still very comfortable, but it's going to be hot later on. I'm not out in that stuff. Here's our turn coming up. Need to watch out for turning cars. I wear bright clothes, but sometimes I think I'm invisible. Passing Bikini Beans. Be sure to wave to the girls. Well, here's Sweetwater, which is halfway between Cactus Road and Thunderbird. Nice little park. I'd love to stop here. Thank you for riding along with me this morning. I'll see you tomorrow.